No.
Way too much. The form is disgusting.
No. No.
Working Fitness here, ready to teach you guys about your tiny, weak back. Each muscle serves a different purpose, giving the back muscles a variety of functions. Many people sit at a desk or a car all day with their shoulders rounded forward, which causes their upper middle back muscles to become inactivated. This type of posture all day creates tight upper trap as well as chest muscles and weakens the muscles of the mid back and front of the neck. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 great exercises to get your upper back and out of whack.
Performing a close grip lat pull down allows us to target the muscles of the mid back more along with the lats. Start by grabbing a multi-exercise bar cable attachment, one that kind of looks like horns, and attach it to the upper cable. Next, we need to adjust the pad for our legs. Take a seat and adjust the pads for your legs so they are nice and tight, but not crushing them. A good reference is if you can barely jam your hand between your leg and the pads. Once completed, press through the balls of your feet to tighten up even further. In the video, I'm pressing through the balls of my feet over and over again just to show you the action. I do not want you doing calf raises in a lat pull down. After setting up the pad height, we will stand back up and place both hands on the bar. Once seated, I want you to keep your chest up and lean back until you hit about a 120-degree angle. The first motion of a lat pull down will come from the shoulder blades. We want to squeeze our shoulder blades down and together, activating our rhomboids and lower and middle trapezius. Do not bend at the elbows until your shoulder blades are fully contracted down and together. This is very important because if we don't squeeze our shoulder blades down and together before pulling, our lats are going to take over the movement and inactivate our mid-back muscles. Now we are ready to pull. I want you to think about pulling with your elbows and not your hands. You will get a better mind-muscle connection with your lats if you imagine pulling like this. With your elbows squeezed towards midline, pull your elbows behind you, bringing the bar down to the upper chest. Make sure to keep your elbows tight and squeezed to your sides. From here, we will continue squeezing our shoulder blades down and together as we allow our lats to stretch and return the bar to the starting position. Once your arms are fully extended, allow your shoulder blades to drift up and away, eccentrically loading the mid-back muscles. Repeat until your back is as swole as a fat lip. Chin-ups are hard, so let's find a way to make them easier. Start by grabbing a monster band or thick resistance band. You're going to take the resistance band and loop it through itself and secure it to the pole. Next, we're going to split the resistance band apart, creating a loop, allowing our foot to fit in between. Pull the resistance band down and place one foot inside of it. Now we will grab the bar with an underhand grip about shoulder width apart. Allow your body to drop down and wrap your one leg around the other. Keeping our feet slightly pointed forward, we will begin pulling ourselves up to the bar. Hey, look at me, I'm a girl now. From here, the form will be the same as shown in the lat pull down video. Make sure to drop your shoulder blades down and together, activating the mid-back muscles. From here, we will begin pulling our elbows behind us, raising our body towards the bar. Make sure to keep your elbows pinned tight to your sides throughout the range of motion. As you begin lowering yourself, allow your lats to stretch and control the movement. Repeat until your back is as swole as a broken ankle. For this next exercise, you're going to need a dual pulley cable crossover machine with the cables close together. Start by setting the pulleys to the lowest position and selecting your weight. Next, we're going to grab both handles and take a few steps back. Spread your legs so they're about shoulder to hip width apart. From here, we're going to bend our knees and push our hips back. Now that we are stable, begin pivoting from the torso, lowering it towards the ground while still keeping your chest up. Your torso should be perpendicular to the cables. Now we are ready to row. Begin by retracting and squeezing the shoulder blade of one arm. Once fully retracted, begin drawing your elbow behind you as far as it can go. We want to do our best not to twist while doing this exercise, but some twist may occur in order to engage the lats maximally. This is due to their attachment to the spine. Don't forget to squeeze your glutes as well as your abdominals to stabilize your body while doing this exercise. Once your arm is fully extended behind the body, keep a good squeeze on your shoulder blade and allow the lats to control the weight back to the starting position. Once your lat is fully stretched out and your arm is straight, allow your shoulder blade to protract and go forward a bit, eccentrically loading the mid-back muscles. Do not allow your shoulder blade as well as the thoracic spine to roll forward while doing this. Keep your chest up high and the tension placed on your back muscles. Repeat with the other arm until your back is as swole as a kid's eyes in a candy store.
Well, now you know how to contract your back muscles with 3 great exercises. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, well, go cry to your grandma about it. I'm just kidding. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and share Park and Fitness on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.